All right, guys. So we have 2 boxes of masterpieces to do. 14-15. Moxopad, c'est pas dans Modern Master, ça? Ouais, Maxopal. No. Ready, rookie. And we have, there's 3 hits. We have a dual of Flurry Eggblood. Eggblood and Reinhardt. And we have a Theorin Flurry base card, number 2/100. On en a de ça, des Moxopal. Base cards. We have Alexander Barkov, jersey. Ouais, il y a des beaux paquets de bases là-dedans. Et les paquets sont déchirés et tout. We have a Wayne Gretzky Masterpieces black and white. And we have LA Kings. This is Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. Base pack. Good Lord. There's 2 hits, but one is pretty much destroyed. We have a Kyle Turris jersey, but look at that. Erik Karlsson, sorry. But look at the corner. Destroyed. And if the one that has the Ottawa Senators can message me, I'll try to change that to Upper Deck. We have a Kyle Turris base card, number 100. Number 100. Base pack. Leon Draisaitl, rookie. Ouais, ça je me suis dit. On dirait que c'est fait violer le jersey. Jonathan Tace. We have a nice black and white portrait jersey of Wayne Gretzky. Game U and Marilla, that must be a practice jersey. Moi j'ai acheté une boîte, j'ai payé 2 Garuc. Steve Yzerman, black and white. And we have Adam Oates autograph. That was the autograph of the box. Phil Kessel, black and white. Evgeny Malkin, black and white portrait. Red, number 100 base card, Nicholas Backstrom. And a beautiful base pack. Second box. Rookie Brendan Gormley. Larry Robinson, base card, number to 100. Base pack. Another base pack. We have Corey Perry wire photos. It's an autograph. Base card number to 50, Black Borders, James Neal. Terry Sawchuk, black and white. Colorado Avalanche Warrior photo, Ray Bourque and Rob Blake. Il n'y a pas grand chose de wow dans Masterpiece. C'est bien rare. Mario Lemieux, black and white. And we have a base card number 100 of Patrick Roy. And Warrior photo, Logan Couture for the San Jose Sharks. Il n'y a pas grand chose, mais je pense qu'il y a du Grand Lune disparisé. J'ai déjà pas eu une patch de Grand Lune. We have a jersey of Evgeny Malkin. Oh, sweet. New Jersey Devils. That must be a short print. Autograph, Jaromir Jagr. I think that's a short print. It's nice. Base pack. C'est pour ça que Minnesota se vend pas cher. Hey, second autograph. You have a second autograph? That's pretty cool. It's rare that you have the box with 2 autographs. Cody Hudson. Rookie Alexander Koklachev. And Patrick Sharp Warrior photos. And the last pack is a base pack. So there you go, guys. Thanks very much for tuning by. Have a nice evening.